Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my web development series. In this lecture, we will see how we can add videos to our websites using HTML. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, you need to create a new folder, and inside that folder you need to create your HTML file, and you need to store your videos which you want to add on your website. So I have created my folder here, and inside here I have my video and I have my HTML file. So you need to create that because it's easy to give the path of my video. If you are giving your video from another folder or another drive, you need to give this whole path to your source file. So let's get started with the video. I need to let me write a code here, h1, simple h1. So this is video adding class. Okay, so our live server is running clearly. Now what we need to write to add a video, so we have a tag called video. Inside this video we need to write source. So what this source does, it contains our video path. So inside this source tag we need to write source. We need to give our path. So what was the name of our video? That was outro dot mp4. We can see the suggestion of our video here, and after that okay, so this is the source of our video inside of our video tag. If we save this, we can see a dark shade in our website. So this is our video, but we cannot see this and we cannot play this because why? We don't have any functionality of our video player. So we need to give a functionality, so we need to give controls. So we'll write controls here and save. If we save this, we can see that we have our control, the play button, the duration, the timer, and the sound, full screen, and other options. Okay, so we have our control. So if we play this, we can see our video. We can pause this, so we can see our video playing full length of our website. So we need to define our height and width. So where we will define, inside of this video tag we need to define our height and width, because this video container contains our video. So we need to give the height and width to our video container. So we need to height width. Okay, so width maybe I'll have 250, and height maybe 150. Okay, 180. Okay, if I save this, I can see my video is scaled to let me pause the sound and play this. You can see my video is running and we have all the functionalities here. We can do full screen. Okay, we can skip full screen, we can reduce our sound, we can have our duration, we also can download. Okay, so this is how we can add our a video. So we can, but we have a practice here. You can also, we have given the type here, we also can give our type separately like this. We can say here that is a video type and it is mp4. Okay, we can also give this if you want. So I suggest you to give your extension with the name. So this is how you can add a video to your website. You can add multiple of video using multiple of video tag, or inside the same tag you can add more by adding another source. So I don't have video on my folder, so In future I will show you how to add multiple videos in your website. So this was a simple and short in short lecture for how to add videos to your website. I hope you liked it. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.